Hey everyone, it's Destiny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this beat look. I have these brown eyes and this brown lip, and I was just going to show you guys how I got it. But the gag is I'm going to be using recent products to make this look. And by recent, I don't necessarily mean products that are new on the market, even though some of these are. I'm talking about recent products as in like I just acquired these products, and this is like my first to second time trying them out. If you want to know how I got this look, then keep watching. So I'm starting off with this Mercier foundation primer. I talked about this in my last video and I absolutely love it, so if you guys want to check that out. Then I'm going to do my brows with this ColourPop brow pencil. Not a big fan of it. It's kind of cheaply made, but I gotta do what I gotta do. And I finally got a MAC paint pot, guys. Well, not really, because this is a sample that I got from Nordstrom, but you know, still gonna do what we needed to do. So I'm going into my Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm taking the color Canna. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, Canna. Don't come at me, I'm not good at this stuff, but I'm just using that to kind of blank out our canvas. So then I'm taking the color Yodict, and I'm taking that into my crease. Now I'm taking my Afrique palette, also by Juvia's Place, and I'm taking the color Cameroon right here, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid. Now I'm going to take the color Kufuru from the Warrior 2 palette, and I'm going to use that in my outer corner to kind of darken it up a little bit. And then I'm also going to take that same color underneath my eyes. Now I'm going to go back with Yodict, and with my finger, I'm going to take that color and put it all over my lid. And now I'm using my Me Maybelline Foundation in the color 330. I know this isn't a new product, I've been using this for years, but I like it and it works well, so don't fix it if it ain't broke. And I'm also taking this new microfiber velvet sponge from Juno to blend that out. Going in with my Fenty Instant Retouch Concealer in the color 340, I'm going to put that underneath my eyes to brighten. And then I'm going to take the Fast Base Concealer by Makeup Revolution and highlight everywhere else. Also taking my NYX Wonderstick. Again, not a new product, but I don't have anything else to use, so we're just going to stick with it. Now I'm taking this Light Illusion Pressed Powder by Flower to set my face. With the Morphe 8W Blush Palette, I'm taking the color MUA, and I'm using that to set my contour and kind of bronze a bit. Also taking these Salon Perfect lashes and taking the Sephora lash adhesive to apply my falsies. And now I have this gold glitter that I got from Sephora, and I'm putting that into the inner corners of my eyes. Back to the blush palette, I'm taking Provocative and Goals, combining the two to get a good blush. Also taking Banana Frost from one of the Fenty Beauty Crayon Chill Out collection and using that to highlight my face, give us a little shimmer. Now, Wet n Wild Natural Finish, I'm using that to set my face, give it a nice dewy glow. And now I'm going to highlight my cheekbones with Babe from the same Morphe blush palette. I'm also going to highlight under my brow bone too. Now, as for lips, I started off using the Fenty Beauty Matte Lizelle in the color Shawty, but it wasn't dark enough for me, so I went over it with the Milani lip cream in the color Covet. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell notification right next to the subscribe button so that you can know every single time that I update. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.